Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. I do apologize, I am so totally late. This is an open collab that is hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On here on YouTube, and I will link her down in the description below. You guys, we have been doing this for I don't know how many weeks already, and yay, thank you everybody that has been participating. It is an open collab. Anybody is welcome to join. If you want to show your dies, how you die cut them, if you want to show a project share, that's fine. If you don't, that's okay. We don't always have that time to do die cutting and doing a project right away. So it's also awesome to have for the week's collabs that are open as well. So just join in on, Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, and you could join along with the other collabs that are open in the, that where you can use these die cuts. Anyways, so this is a die that I got at Amazon, and it isn't that cute, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. And it comes from Sea Party, and it did, I don't know why it says elegant planning, but yeah, I did get it from Amazon, and I just opened this today, and I decided to go ahead and show you guys how cute it is, you guys. So let me go ahead and do this. You could do, this is a file holder, I want to say. I did have a hard time die cutting this one. This is a 110-pound cardstock, so it kind of did have a hard time. I do need to go ahead and score it right there, so I can fold it right there. I do have to make the other part for the file, and this is a project I'm doing, so I'm just not gonna do it right now. So basically you need 2 of these to make the file, and it's up to you how big you want it. This way, smaller, closer together, it depends. Usually it's about maybe 2 inches. I might be doing a 3-inch, just depends on how much time I have. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Oh, you guys, I am still having a hard time figuring these out. So this is what it looks like, and then when you die cut, you can cut this by itself, and this is what you're gonna get right here. So you could layer that right there, and then when you want to cut this, I was trying to cut it and I noticed that the edges weren't cutting. So this is actually, you have to do these 2 together so you can get this right here, and there you go. And this is what it looks like, and once you put it together, that's what it's gonna look like. You could do, oh sorry you guys, see, tell you this is a little confusing because you just have to remember to put it together and make sure that the stuff matches. It matches like this, because if you do it like how I just had it, oh my goodness, not like that, but I think I had it like this, it's not gonna match. And you guys, I was having such a hard time trying to figure out. It was just one of those moments. I was like, wait, that doesn't look like, what's going on, why? So this is what it's supposed to look. Oh, you guys, there I go again. There I go again. So just make sure you guys are aware how you guys are placing it. And isn't that cute? You can make this into a cute shaker, you guys. Oh my goodness, having it as a shaker would be so amazing. And that is all for now. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And you guys, just take the time when you're die cutting, look at it, think about it. I wasted like half an hour just trying to figure this out. I was like, why is this off? Why is this off? Look at you guys. So that's, I mean, it's just one of those moments. So just make sure you align it okay. You guys, I was like, I know I got 3 dies. Yeah, one of those moments. Anyways, thank you everybody for hearing my rumbling, my mumbling, and my hard times. You guys, if you guys are interested in winning these some of these die cuts, I mean, just put Let's Do Die Cutting down on the description below. I will have it at the end of the month drawing. So you guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.